In this video, we're going to be learning how to change our scene in Godot 4.4 Visual Scripting. So right here, I have two major scenes, the game screen that I will be changing to, and then the start screen here. So the first thing I'm going to do in my start screen, I'm going to create a code here. So I'll right click and attach my script and create. The first thing I'm going to do is just to create my signal for the button. So I'm going to select the button I want to use. I have a button here and that's play game. So I want, whenever I click my play game, it's going to change to my game screen. So if I select it, I'll go to my node, go to my signals and go to press. So this is the press signal here, and I'm going to click on it and connect it to this start screen code that I already have here. So I have on play again pressed. So I'll click on connect. Now if you go into your orchestrator, you see the signal there. Now I'll right click and I will type scene. I'll get my scene tree and I'll also drag in the scene that I want to use. So the best way I can do that is just simply go over here, find the screen and drag it. So I have my game screen. I can just drag it from here, drop it here, and then click on get part. So we're going to be using get part for this. I will go over to this get scene tree and I will drag it out and I will type change. So I'm going to be using change to file and I'm going to click on that. I'll select this and put this here and this to here, and then my resource path to here. Then I will right click and type instantiate to instantiate that scene. So once I type instantiate scene, I'm going to just click to drag this here, connect this and connect that. And that is how I can change my scene. So once I test it, so once I click on play game, I come in here into the game immediately. So right now I want to be able to also make it in such a fashion that when I click on home, it goes back to the other one. So I'll go to my game screen, go into my 2D scene to see it, and I'll click on that. So once the game starts, I can click on my play game. The game is here. I can click on my home, it goes back to this. I can click on play. So I can just keep doing that continuously. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please do subscribe to my channel and like my videos, and I will see you in the next video.